Hey everybody. I just wanted to give you an idea of kind of a preview look at what I'm doing with Reticulum. So as you can see here, I've got Reticulum, sort of almost an MVP, minimum viable product, implemented into the Mesh client. And the Reticulum stack runs as a sidecar. So Russ, who, if you're familiar with RatSpeak, which is developed by our very own Dude Duddeth, I chose to implement or reuse the concepts that he did so that we have feature parity between the two as best as we can. But I was also heavily inspired by the awesome work that Liam Cottle has done with the Mesh Chat client, which hasn't gotten an update for a while. So what I have implemented so far, and I still have a lot more work to do, but you could start and stop the stack. There's a chat window here. Reticulum is just direct messages only, so I don't happen to have any direct messages here, but I'll show you how that works. And it has all the kind of the normal filters and things that you would normally have. We have Nomad now, Nomad in here, so you can go look at any of these announces that come through. And I have basic formatting in place for the pages. I clicked on a node. We'll see if it actually works. It may not work. That would be kind of sucky for a demo. If it can't get to it, there's a timeout as well. Oh, here we go. So it just loaded. It took a while. But this is, it has links in here, archives. You can download files from it. This is just the really basic version of it. You can favorite these, and which I'll put it over in the favorite side. So some more interesting work to be done there. Obviously, you get a peers list. You can see what interface, you can have actions on it right here. You can click on an interface, you can change the color, path probe, send messages, blah, 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 copy, etc. So there's a few things I have implemented there. On the radio side, we have basic stack settings, your identity information, including a backup. You can import either from a file, or if you happen to have it on your system already, it'll just import it in there as well, which is kind of nice. You can see the interfaces up, down, etc. What's here. I've started work on the propagation nodes as well, so that will hopefully be working shortly. From the administration side, yes, you can flash firmware in here, and it does work, at least on a HealthTech v3, which I'm testing. And so you have all of these different options in here to walk through as well. The app is kind of the same thing. There's some filtering and some panels, some additional cleanup and work that has to be done on that. Right now, I just have ping and network diagnostics for this. I haven't wired in any of the traditional diagnostics in here. You can look at stats. It's the same as you'd find in Meshtastic and Mesh Core. You could see all the different types and how many. You will notice just by looking at this that, oh my goodness, it is noisy. There is lots of information that comes in here. So the donut charts and all this stuff may not particularly scale too well. We cap out at 2,500 packets right now just for sanity checking. And so you can kind of see how the distribution works over there. There's the sniffer, it works. And as you can see by the auto scroll here, there is lots of stuff that comes in from what you're connected to. So you can still pause this and then pick one. And click on it, and then you can see all the detailed information. Oh, cool, there's a bug with pause. Okay, let's try that again. Well, I guess I still have work to do there. And then on network topology, you can see what's connected to other folks in here. And then, of course, you could look at this. Now, interesting thing with this, I was able to make that work as well for Mesh Core, Meshtastic. I switched over, and you could see like distance for hops and whatnot. And when you hover over, you get the names of people in here. And so here's Lookout. You can click on it, and then so I have some cleanup work to do with this as well. But anyway, that's the first look. Hopefully, you guys like it.